Find the equation of the hyperbola in the standard form. So, ito po yung standard form natin at ito naman po yung general form natin. Hyperbola, ibig sabihin, minus po yung ating operation. Therefore, itong apat nating options ay possible na sagot. Paano po natin gagawin? Plug in lang po ang given general equation. So, kopyahin lang po natin. We have minus 4y squared plus 36x plus 24y minus 36 is equal to 0. Diba po meron tayong x and y variables, therefore, comma, then kung ano po yung gusto nating i-solve na variable, yun po yung inalagay natin. So, let's say y. Then, diba, meron po tayong equal sign, shift calc po tayo. Tatanungin tayo ng value ni x, bahala na po tayo kung anong value ang gusto natin, okay lang. Pero tatandaan po natin yan. So, let's say x is equal to 0.001. Then, isa-solve po ni calculator ang y. Ayan. So, this is the value of y. Then, shift, recall y. Again, what is our x? We have 0, 0, 1. Yung in-input natin kanina, shift, store, x. So, yan po yung ginamit natin kanina. Then, what's next? Kukopyahin po natin ang ating options. Yes po, kopya-kopya lang po tayo dito. At ayan, ito yung kahalagahan. Kailangan mabilis po tayong pumindot dahil time-bounded po ang ating exam. Ayan. May hint na po kung bakit natin in-store ang values ng ating x and y para malaman po natin kung alin po sa options ang masasatisfy. Then, kung sino po yung tumama na nag-equal to 1, kaya wala po yung equal to 1 dito kasi yun po yung ating magiging basis. Ibig sabihin, kung alin po sa options ang mag-equal to 1 ay siya po nating tamang sagot. Kasi, ibig sabihin po, yung ating general form at standard form ay tumutukoy lang sa isang graph. So, isang graph lang po yan, isang equation lang yan na magkaibang form. Ayun nga, general and standard. So, dito, A and B lang po yung i-input natin, then edit na lang natin si C at D. Then, what's next? Equal sign lang po natin kasi automatic na isa-substitute na po dyan ang ating x and y values na in-input kanina. So, si A, ang value niya ay 0.11, which is not equal to 1, therefore A is not the right answer. How about B? B is equal to 1, therefore na-satisfy niya. Hence, our correct answer is letter B. But, we have to check in po the other two options. X minus y squared over 4. Kasi mamaya, may dalawa po pala tayong sagot. Y minus 3 squared. Ayan. Then, x minus 2. Kapag nasatisfy, ibig sabihin po nun, nasundan po natin or napatunayan po natin na tama ang ating equation. Kaya, yung mag-i-equal to 1, yun po yung ating sagot. Then, equal sign. Ayan, hindi naman po equal to 1, just the same with letter D. Hence, the correct answer is letter B. X plus 2 squared all over 4 minus y minus 3 squared all over 9 is equal to 1. Thank you for watching. Kindly share so we can help more self-review math majors.